Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today, as you can tell by the title, I created this makeup look. I think it's super on trend, which is like the warm tones. And yeah, if you want to see how I got this look, then just keep on watching. Alrighty, so I've already done my eyebrows using the e.l.f. eyebrow kit, and I just used this pomade shade. And I did carve them out with a bit of concealer, but now I'm going to prime my eyelids using the first new product, which is the very well-known Tarte Shape Tape. And I love this packaging. Gold and purple. Yes, please. So I'm just going to put a dot on each eye and blend that out. I'm not a fan of the smell though. Sorry if you can hear like noise in the background, it's just a bit windy. They're getting like the wind after the cyclone that happened in Darwin. So yeah. And I'm just going to blend it out. Oh! And I'm just going to blend it out using this little flat brush. I feel like this dries kind of fast, you know. I'm going to take my little sponge. This is just the Real Techniques one. Okay, now I'm just going to set that using my next new product, which is the Coty airspun powder. This is a loose powder, as you can see, hopefully. I feel like I ate it then. Blend it just in case it got like little creases. Now time for the eyeshadow look, and I'm a bit, I don't know about this eyeshadow look. Hopefully it all comes together in the end. Okay, so the first colour I'm going to use is out of the Shaaanxo palette, and you can also get this, all these same colours in the Shaaanxo remix palette. So I'm going to use this yellow shade here on this like brush. Yep. And I'm just going to put that above my crease, close to like the brow bone. Now I'm going to use a sample, which I actually really like, which is it's a Tarte sample, and it's the Park Ave Princess bronzer. I'm just going to put a little bit of that like more in my crease using the same brush. So it's just this one here. Well, these colours melt together really good. I feel like I'm talking really quietly. So I'm just going to go back in with that yellow colour and blend the edges. So now I'm going to use what I have left of this. It's the e.l.f. like bronzer and blush duo. As you can tell, I use way more bronzer than blush. And it's in Fiji matte. I really also like this. And I'm going to use what's left of that bronzer because it's darker than the other one I just used. And I'm just going to put that in the same place I put the other bronzer. What I'm doing, I'm not sure I'm going to like it. And I'll tell you why in a second. It's because I'm putting this colour all over the lid, and I'm not quite sure I like that colour. Oh, that's so pigmented. I'm just taking this little brush and going to pack that all over my lid. You know, it's all about experimenting. I actually really like it. See what you do when you try something new? I've been rhyming so much lately. Now I'm just going to take this brush and blend in the crease. feel like that just got rid of that colour. Okay, I'm going to take a tiny bit of that colour because it's looking a bit patchy on this brush. Now I'm just going to take that yellow colour and blend. So like warm toned. Now for my brow bone, I'm going to take this angled brush. I'm just going to take this NYX little single eyeshadow in the shade Diamond Lust and put that on my eyebrow bone. Liner brush and just get like a matte. I would usually do this with like a different brush, but I've lost it. So I'm just going to have to do it with this eyeliner brush, and I'm going to just take this matte black here and line my eyes. Also, I'm vlogging yesterday and today, making it into one vlog. Well, you can tell the difference. So if you haven't seen that, that will be already up. Okay, so now I'm just going to move on to my face. I'll do mascara afterwards. First thing, because I kind of have a few spots around the place and my concealer is like really light, and if I put it on top of my foundation, it's just going to make them stand out even more. So I'm going to do this first and then put on my foundation. If you're wondering, the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer, for me to buy it and ship it here was $60. This is in the shade Fair Neutral as well, so it's a pretty light shade. Okay, I'm just going to put it on the back of my hand and then use the brush. I'm just going to blend it in now with my sponge. Now I'm using a brush. Now I'm just going to take my L'Oreal True Matte Foundation in the shade Golden Ivory, which I think is the palest. And now I'm going to put on some concealer that I really probably don't need, but I'm still going to do it anyway. Just going to put a little bit under my eyes. Like seeing the whole bottle on my face. I look crazy. Oh my goodness. Okay, now to put more on. It's now time to set it. And I think I'm going to bake today since I have so much makeup on. So much. So I'm actually going to use my sponge. For the rest of the face, I'm just going to take my brush and dust it on the rest of my face. Oh my goodness, I'm not used to wearing this much makeup. It's like crazy. Actually, I might contour first. I use this powder in here because it's like cool toned. I'm just going to dust away my bake before I do my bronzer. Now to bring some like life into this face, I'm going to take my sample bronzer and use it because I really like it. to take this brush here and contour my nose with that grey colour and then bronze it with the other bronzer. Now I'm just going to put a little bit of blush on. I'm just going to use this one. Oh, just like tap that off a bit, you know. I'm going to go back to my eyes. Don't worry, I'm not skipping highlight. I'm just doing my eyes. So I'm just going to take that red colour. So I'm just going to put this under my eye. Why not? Why not go all out and do black eyeliner? I'm not quite sure you're going to be able to see this because just add a little something something. Now I'm just going to do my mascara and I'm going to layer 50 million layers of this on. I got like some mascara like around my eyes, so I'm just going to let that dry. I feel like something's in my eye. I'm going to put some of this highlighter on. I think this is the dough. This is the NYX Butter Lipstick in Sugar Wafer. I'm just going to put a tiny bit of this on my lips. I'm just also going to add this gloss. Alrighty, so this, oh, what's my hair doing? Alrighty, so this is the finished makeup look. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, make sure to smash the thumbs up button and subscribe if you haven't already. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye!